Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Fiesta rear wiper. First, let's gather the necessary items. You'll need a new rear wiper blade, specifically designed for your Fiesta, and a soft cloth. A small flathead screwdriver can also be helpful for gently prying if needed. This simple task can be completed in about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, let's remove the old wiper. Gently pull the wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this release mechanism, then slide the old blade downwards or outwards to detach it. Remember to place a soft cloth on the window to prevent the arm from accidentally hitting and damaging the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly upwards or inwards until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Double-check that the blade is fully seated. If there's a protective sheath on the rubber, remove it now. Finally, let's perform some quick checks. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the rear window. Turn on your ignition and activate the rear wiper to test its operation. Observe if it clears the window effectively and without streaking. Ensure the blade rubber strip fits tightly along the entire glass length. Avoid touching the new blade's rubber edge to maintain its graphite coating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.